What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. And on this episode, I'm gonna let you in on a little quick secret that I just figured out with your credit card on how to boost your score right now. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back. So about 2 weeks ago, I was doing some research on a new topic to make for you guys, and I conducted a little experiment. On that topic, I was doing some research on something specific called a rapid rescore or a cycle update. Basically what that is that they kick off and fire off some information over to the credit bureaus before it's actually due report date, and it changes your score, or it gives you a picture of what your score could be if certain things are changed within your credit report. On that note, what I did is I purposely let my balance go over the limit. Yes, I did. And I wanted to test this out. So basically what I ended up doing is, again, I let my account report over the credit limit and then paid off my balance in full after the report date. So on my credit report, which now shows a high utilization rate, obviously that did affect my score. But what I ended up doing is I called the credit card company again and I disputed the balance. So the fact that I went ahead and paid off my account and brought my balance down to zero, I disputed on the basis that my account does not reflect what it's already reported to the credit bureaus, which is a high utilization rate. So I wanted to conduct that experiment without pretty much knowing any specifics, and this is what happened.
Thank you for calling Capital One. Which of these can I help you with? Credit cards, bank accounts,
Credit cards.
auto finance. I'm sorry, I didn't quite get that. You can say credit cards or press 1.
Credit cards. Credit cards.
Got it. You can say card technical support or card general servicing.
General servicing.
Okay, card general servicing. If that's not correct, say go back. Thanks for calling Capital One. Please say or enter your 16-digit card number. One moment while I look up your account. Thanks. For your security, the number you're calling from matches your account. Capital One, my name is Hunter. May I ask for your first and last name?
My name is Ray.
Thank you. Sir, please help to verify the last 4 numbers of your social security number. Thank you, sir. How can I help you today?
Sure. I was on the phone recently, but I got disconnected. I was looking forward to see if I can go ahead and dispute my balance towards the credit bureaus to see if we can send that over. On my credit report now, the balances on this account is reporting way too high, ultimately affecting my score. And I'd like to go ahead and dispute it because it's not reflecting what's current now.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. The better assistance rate, this is going to be for the current statement.
For the account ending in...
Yes, sir. Do you have like any particular month for the statement so I can check also?
For the statement this month.
The current one, right?
Yes.
Sure, I'll be glad to assist you with what your request today, so just give me a second.
5 hours later.
So as we're waiting here, basically what I'm going ahead and do is, instead of having them send a updated cycle update to the credit bureaus, which according to several of their representatives that can't be done, what I'm doing is I'm sending off a dispute. Like if I'm doing a regular dispute based on the account with Capital One, and because they are sending that to the credit bureaus, they must send over the current balance to dispute the balance that's reported on my credit report. So in theory, that should update my credit score and update the balance without having to wait to the end of cycle date, which in my case would be the 5th, and my payments are typically on the 1st. So after doing some research, let's actually see if it really can be done.
A few moments later.
Sorry for that long wait and long silence. I just pulled up here the necessary process that it's better when it comes to your dispute, your credit report. Now, to begin with, I would just like to let you know that the Fair Credit Reporting Act requires us to report the account history accurately, and I am unable to change our reporting on a courtesy basis. However, if you believe that your account is not reporting accurately, we can now go ahead and start with a dispute.
Yes.
Would you like still to proceed?
Yes. Do the dispute, because according to my balance now and what's reporting on my credit report, I believe it to be inaccurate.
I understand, sir. Give me a moment, okay? I'm now in the process.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So obviously there was a little disclaimer.
Sir, may I ask, what credit bureau is it showing that your balance is different from us?
All three.
I'm sorry?
All three. All three of them.
What do you mean all three? Is it Equifax, TransUnion, Experian,
All three of them.
I have your 4, but which one of those is not? Equifax,
Well, Equifax,
TransUnion, Experian, and Innovis.
yeah, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian is reporting
Okay.
an inaccurate balance.
I understand. Thank you, sir. One moment.
So that little blurb that he said before about the Fair Credit Reporting Act was probably something that they have scripted or have to say as a disclaimer or whatnot. It was the same verbiage that I got over the phone several times and over their chat automation system online. So
What is the balance that is showing there, sir, if I may ask?
the balance is showing, I don't have it in front of me right now. So in this case, just for the purpose of just trying to give them a balance, I'm actually logging into my Credit Karma to see what balance is actually reporting on there as we speak. So we'll pick this one, report, and then let's go to the Capital One. All right. So the balance is actually reporting is about, it's $1,603.
So $1,603, sir?
Yes, sir.
And this is going to be for this month, right? The month of March.
Yes, sir.
Alright, what I put here on my notes, right, I see here that, or what I did, or what I put here on the documentation that you have called in today, since your credit report is showing that you have a balance of $1,603, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna click next now so we can continue with the dispute.
Got it.
There you go. Sir, I was able to submit your request today, and I'd just like to let you know as well that any discrepancies found will be reported to the business credit bureaus for correction. And later, regarding to the business credit bureau investigation within Capital One, within 10 business days, allow us 10 additional days for the meeting time, and allow us 60 to 90 days to have this information updated with the credit reporting agencies, okay?
Okay. Now, if you don't mind, can I just confirm what exactly we disputed today?
Sure. What we have disputed today, sir, is what you have said with the current balance right now, which is $1,603.
And so yeah, that is inaccurate. So we're pretty much disputing that it's not 1603, that it's actually 0 at this point, correct?
That is correct, sir. I can see that your balance right now is $0. That is correct, sir.
Awesome. All right, sir. So thank you very much for your help. I look forward to seeing that change on my credit report here soon. And that's pretty much it for right now. So there you have it, guys. That just happened. So as you know, it basically all you got to do is just ask your bank to conduct certain changes. Now, results may vary with each individual customer or with each individual bank. Do your research as far as what are the characterizations, but basically what worked for me is basically disputing that account. And what happens is that they're gonna go ahead and dispute the balance on that account. Remember, the Fair Credit Reporting Act is made to, to promote the accuracy on what's reported in your credit report. And it states, if anything is unverifiable, inaccurate, or incomplete, it must be corrected or removed. In this case, I tested the theory on the Fair Credit Reporting Act against the new balance that shows after I went ahead and made a payment, which was $0. So based on that, my balance showcased $0 for the month, and the balance reporting on my credit report was over a 90% utilization rate, which as you see now was 1603. I disputed the accuracy of that information, and it went ahead and got disputed. So within the middle of the month, before my actually report date, which is on the 5th of the month, I got it to rechange the score. I'll keep you updated on the results. As you heard, it's gonna take 7 to 10 business days, and the credit bureaus have to do their thing to go ahead and update their report. So if you're ever caught into a situation where you get some money in the middle of the month and you wanna pay down some cards and boost your score immediately, this might be an alternative that you can take advantage of to, optimize your credit scores as soon as possible. So if you're in a time crunch when buying a car or buying a home or any of the case may be, this is something that's actually a useful tool to have in your arsenal to boost your credit score. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Leave me a comment, subscribe, like the video, share with family and friends. Don't forget to stay real, keep it humble, and I'll see you next week on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.